Let's learn the ABCs.
Hey kids, it's time to learn our ABCs and a word for every letter. Ready to begin our journey from A to Z? A.
A is for apple. Apple.
B.
B is for ball. Ball.
C.
C is for cat. Cat.
D.
D is for dog. Dog.
E.
E is for elephant. Elephant.
F.
F is for frog. Frog.
G.
G is for giraffe. Giraffe.
H.
H is for hen. Hen.
I.
I is for ice cream. Ice cream.
J.
J is for juice. Juice.
K.
K is for kite. Kite.
L.
L is for lion. Lion.
M.
M is for mushroom. Mushroom.
N.
N is for nest. Nest.
O.
O is for onion. Onion.
P.
P is for parrot. Parrot.
Q.
Q is for queen. Queen.
R.
R is for ring. Ring.
S.
S is for sheep. Sheep.
T.
T is for tiger. Tiger.
U.
U is for umbrella. Umbrella.
V.
V is for van. Van.
W.
W is for whale. Whale.
X.
X is for xylophone. Xylophone.
Y.
Y is for yacht. Yacht.
Z.
Z is for zebra. Zebra.